What's up guys, it's your boy John and we're back again here with another video. Today we're taking a look at the Dasaita and an unboxing. Now this is going to be for the Honda Civic. It's 720p and I'll put all the specs right here. Anyways, it's a really nice box, nice and white. This, pop it out. Now we have the good foam, so Honda Civic. Make sure you gotta protect that nice Honda Civic head unit. And Dasaita provides that. It gives you this kind of like floating design. You can kind of check out the packaging. So, boom, boom, and each foam is cut out specifically for the edges and curves. You can just kind of see the molding of that head unit. Now we'll put that to the side. It also comes with a user manual, so that's pretty sweet. Harnesses, this has subwoofer outputs, microphones, USBs, GPS antennas, and even Wi-Fi. So you're all gonna be set when it comes to that stuff. And this is kind of more of the harnesses that you really want. So those are kind of like the extra stuff, USBs and microphones and whatnot. This harnesses is the meat and potatoes of what you need. Now, if you want to retain your USB factories, your factory USB systems, Dasaita actually provides the Honda adapters for them. So that's really nice. You get two, one for Toyota and one for Honda, or they're both Toyota actually. Sometimes they are universal, so they're labeled Toyota, but it'll probably work for the Honda. And then you get this right here. Now, this, it might look a little crazy to y'all, but I'll try to walk it down to you. FM radio antenna, all these are sometimes redundant, but it's what you kind of need for backup camera. So this one says Honda Civic 16 power cable, and even additional antennas right there for you and CAN bus. Now certain Honda Civics though have a side camera. So what that is on your side mirror, there's a camera on the EX, and you'll be able to retain that with this. So that's pretty awesome. And it also will have, so right there you'll see side cam. Awesome. And then you'll also have a backup camera right there too. So we'll be able to hook that up and make it look all nice. Now, some questions you might get is, well, so backup camera, does it work? Yes. Side camera, yes. Steering wheel controls, yes. You'll have all that functioning. Boom. So this is the actual head unit, probably what you guys want to see. Now it's taped really nice. The bag has some good thickness to it. Now when you get the thing from Dasaita, they will like kind of shrink wrap this with some kind of like screen protector like material. It's kind of thick, kind of sticky. Not sticky, but it does have some friction to it. Yeah, it's just a thick piece of screen protector. Now you have the volume buttons, navigation, media controls, and this symbol usually means home, and then you get reset in your microphone. I actually prefer to use the microphone that's just on the head unit itself than using a external one. Now that is the front. Going to the top of the head unit tells you more about each of the diagrams when it comes to the circuit. Really useful if you're having issues, you need to troubleshoot. You're like, hey, my illumination, or I'm not getting a power. This is plug and play, so you shouldn't have to worry about that. But if you want to look into the nitty gritties, you can look at the whole wiring diagram and the circuit diagram. And going to the back of the head unit, you have the main harness. So you plug this harness right here, and all this stuff right here plugs into the back of your Honda Civic. Now we have the HDMI out, so that's nice. I believe that's for audio. You have your GPS antenna and your Wi-Fi antenna, which was in this bag right here. This is your FM AM radio antenna, and these are your miscellaneous things like the RCA jacks, the USB cables, the DVR, aux in, camera in, TV out, USBs, and TPMS sensors if you want that. Now, if you want TPMS, you can buy an additional accessories and you can monitor your TPS right off of this head unit. So that is a really nice option if you have that. So that's something you want to consider. Now, not all head units are made equally too. So this one has DSP, it has Carplay, and it has an LCD 13, which I don't know, and 6. That usually might mean a higher end IPS panel. and 6-core CPU. So, and we also have a micro SD slot for expandable storage if you like to store a lot of video, movies, music, you can do that. On this side, there is nothing. So yep, that is the Android head unit from Dasaita. Dasaita is one of my favorite brands. They are super reliable and they're off of Amazon. So if you're interested in buying it from Amazon, I'll put links down below. They have great return policies and customer care, so they'll take care of you. And that's for the peace of mind when it comes to Dasaita. They're very snappy with their responses. So here you go. Check it out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.